Hello friends, in my previous video we studied phonemes and syllable. Here we are going to study word stress or accent. Word stress means giving a prominence or stress on a particular syllable in words, because some words are monosyllabic, bisyllabic and polysyllabic. When we get polysyllabic word, we get confusion where to give prominence. For that we are going to study some words here. Here some words are monosyllabic. Mono means one syllable. When there is a monosyllabic word, syllable having only one vowel sound. Vowel is a nucleus of syllable. Here one vowel and all words having one vowel. So all these words are monosyllabic, and monosyllabic word always bear stress mark on it. So these are pronounced like must, had, who, will, strong, stop, 12. There are some bisyllabic. When we get bisyllabic, then we have to choose where to give prominence, where to give accent and where to give stress. Here are examples. Absent and conduct. If a word is considered as a noun or adjective, then the stress mark goes on first syllable. When the same words plays as a role of verb, then the stress mark goes on second syllable. Here word is absent. When stress is given, that syllable becomes very strong and another syllable automatically becomes weak. Here are two syllables, ab and next one is sent. Here ab becomes strong and sent becomes weak, and this word is pronounced like absent. The same word bears here stress mark on second syllable. So here first syllable becomes weak and second becomes strong. Here it is absent, and here absent, and here absent. The same way the next one is conduct. Here conduct and here conduct. Now see some polysyllabic words. When we get polysyllabic words, we get confusion where to give stress. Here are some examples, and here are some rules. But rules are not rigid, they are flexible. So we study few rules here. ION rule. When a word ends with ION, always stress goes on second syllable from the last. Not from first but from last. Here education. Here shun is first syllable from last, K is second from last, and Ju is third from last. So stress mark goes here on K. Ju and shun becomes weak and K becomes strong. Education, nation, calculation, emotion, nation, nomination, preposition. In this way we produce sounds of the words ending with ION. Next, words ending with ity. It is called ity rule. When words end with ity, the stress goes on third syllable from the last. Let us see some words. Here ability is a word. Here T is first syllable from last, Li is second from last, and B is third from last. Here stress goes on third syllable and remaining all syllables become weak. Here B becomes strong, and the pronunciation of this word is ability. B becomes strong, ability. This syllable becomes very weak. Ability. Here nationality, here mality, here capability. In this way we pronounce the words ending with ity. There is a rule ment. Some words end with ment. When such words end with ment, again stress marks goes on third from last syllable. Here judgment, judge is a third syllable from last. Here T is third syllable from last and law is third from last. So the word pronunciation of these words are judgment, retirement, allotment. Law is strong syllable, ta is strong syllable, ja is strong syllable, and remaining becomes automatically weak. Then their pronunciation is judgment, retirement, allotment, in this way. So how the word stress and accent given to monosyllabic, bisyllabic and polysyllabic we have seen with some examples, and here we stop, and surely we shall meet with a new topic in my coming video. Thank you for watching me. Till then, goodbye.